In this video, I'm gonna try to help you solve your issues with Wi-Fi not connecting properly on a Realme 14T. So if you cannot connect to your Wi-Fi, let's get right into it. First, let's go to the settings, and of course, I have to mention airplane mode. Sometimes it can be enabled by accident or something, so just check if it's not enabled, because if it's enabled, then you won't be able to use Wi-Fi. If it's not enabled, then we can go to Wi-Fi. Of course, Wi-Fi should be obviously enabled as well. And the first thing that we can do is, for example, turn off and turn back on Wi-Fi. This simple solution sometimes does the trick as well. Sometimes this is all we need to do in order to solve this issue. However, if the issue is still there, if you cannot properly connect to your Wi-Fi, the next thing that you can do is go to the details. So we can tap on this eye icon next to the saved network. I assume that you have saved network, that you have connected it before. However, if not, then I'll just get right into it in a second. So let's go over here to the details of the network. And what you can do is simply forget the network. Not disconnect, but completely forget the network. And then you can try to connect again. You can also use the QR code if you have Wi-Fi QR code. So instead of using the password, you can just scan the QR code if you have one. You can also remember that you can also refresh the list in case you don't see your network over here. Sometimes we have to refresh because it doesn't show new networks. And of course, after you forget your network, just try to connect again. You might not be able to connect due to, for example, an incorrect password. However, if you manage to connect, but you still don't have the access to the internet, then, well, there is also an option that there are issues with the, for example, with the service provider or on the service provider's side. And what you can do is you can check, if possible, you can check on other devices if you have access to the internet, if you are using the same network. So if you have, for example, a TV or, I don't know, anything else in general that uses Wi-Fi, try to connect to the same network. If it's possible, and if you actually have access to the internet on other devices, then of course, at least we know that the issue is on the phone side. However, if you don't have access to the internet on every other device as well, then obviously it means that there have to be some issues with the servers of the service provider. There might be some sort of outage or something. Also, if you have been connected to the Wi-Fi before, but you cannot see it on this list anymore, then you can tap on these three dots over here in the top right corner, and then we can go to more settings, then choose save networks, and we want to forget the network from here. But that is only if you don't see it over here on this list. You can also try to go to Wi-Fi Assistant, and you can disable auto connect to the best Wi-Fi. This option can be also the reason, sometimes, of course, not always, but sometimes this can be the reason why you have issues with connecting or keeping the connection. The same happens with the dual channel network acceleration. If you have it enabled before, then you can just turn it off in order to see if it makes any difference. And if none of this helps, if you still have issues with your Wi-Fi, there is one more thing that we can do. We're gonna go back to the settings, scroll all the way down and go to system and update. After that, we want to go to backup and reset, and then choose reset phone. And then over here, go to reset network and Bluetooth settings. This includes the Wi-Fi settings, so they will be completely reset to default settings. However, unfortunately, we have three things to reset over here. We reset three things: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile network. Unfortunately, we cannot separate it. So if we decide to reset, not only Wi-Fi networks will be forgotten and reset, but also Bluetooth devices and mobile data network settings. So you will have to reconnect to your Bluetooth devices, for example, as well. Once the reset is done, we're gonna go back to Wi-Fi, and of course, first of all, we want to make sure that Wi-Fi is enabled, and then try to connect to your Wi-Fi, and hopefully this time it works. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.